On May 6, 2023, troopers observed a black Kawasaki Ninja traveling over 90 miles per hour. A traffic stop was attempted, but the motorcyclist ignored the signals and fled. The suspect accelerated to over 140 miles per hour, weaving through traffic and nearly striking another motorcycle while trying to flee. The pursuit ended when the suspect pulled into the emergency lane and surrendered. He was taken into custody without incident. On May 20, 2023, officers attempted to stop a reckless driver, but the suspect struck a patrol vehicle and fled the scene, initiating a pursuit. The suspect continued driving recklessly, weaving through traffic at high speeds and narrowly avoiding multiple collisions. Officers quickly began coordinating to safely end the pursuit, knowing that if it continued, it could lead to serious crashes and greater danger. Would their plan work? Let's find out.
I got cut off. I'm trying to catch back up. Eastbound Roosevelt. Eastbound Roosevelt. Eastbound Roosevelt. Got it there, got it there. Hit and roll over. Eastbound Roosevelt. Got a pig, got a roll over. Hit and roll over.
The pursuit ended with a dramatic Pythie maneuver, sending the suspect's vehicle spinning out. Officers quickly exited their patrol units and moved in to place the suspect into handcuffs without further incident. On May 13, 2023, an officer observed a vehicle speeding and initiated a traffic stop. The driver complied and pulled over without incident.
32 4 10 20.
One dispatch traffic.
Northbound to 118. Back here, back of your car. See how fast he's going? Yes, ma'am. He's doing 106.
Can I get my registration?
Yeah, go ahead. Let's go to the passenger side. Get your registration, your license, and proof of insurance. When's the last time marijuana was smoked in here?
My brother just brought me back my car and I'm trying to go out of town to see my baby daddy. So I just got my car back from him.
I got you. It's a real strong smell of it coming out of here.
I'm sorry.
Is that the reason you got out of the car?
No, I promise you.
Okay. Well, I'm going to have both of you step out. I'm going to be searching the car, okay?
Okay.
Both of you go ahead and step out.
Okay.
You can have a seat right there on front of my bumper or just stand in front of my car, whichever one's easier on you. What's bulging out of your side of your shorts here? Right here. Is that the marijuana?
What?
Trying to hide it? Why you gotta make things difficult?
No, like I said, my brother had my car back.
Try to put your hands behind your back. You're not under arrest right now, you're just being detained. Is there anything else in the vehicle?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure? I got you. I didn't look at your age. How old are you?
16 at Ford. Oversized, forward, back moving.
The other marijuana was located in the glove box. Alright, ma'am, you're the driver. You're going to be getting a citation. Like I said, I locked you to 106 and 75. So you're going to get a citation on your speed, for the possession, and then also for no driver's license. You're going to have a court date. It's going to be July 27, 9 a.m., Lawrence County District Court. This is their address here. That's their phone number. You'll be getting a citation for possession, Schedule 6, and also tampering. Okay? You'll have the same court date, July 27th. There's going to be their address there. All right? Also, just a warning for no proof of insurance. Make sure y'all got a valid proof in here, okay? Your keys in the passenger seat. Okay. All right, well, you didn't show me that while ago, like I said. No, ma'am. All right? Y'all stay away from that stuff, okay?
The officer ultimately did not arrest the driver and instead issued a citation before letting them go. On April 20th, 2023, an officer observed a speeding vehicle and initiated a traffic stop. The driver complied and pulled over without incident.
Trooper State Police Officer speeding, got you 78.
I got my emergency lights on. I got a family emergency going on. I gotta go.
Oh, family emergency don't give you the right to speed. You got your license on you today? And the emergency license don't give you the right to speed either.
I have a vehicle.
What you say, ma'am?
I have a vehicle
Yeah, emergency lights ain't, even with emergency lights, you still gotta do the speed limit.
Yeah, I know, but it's for a reason, and that's what they're for.
Oh, okay.
So whatever we're gonna do, I got everything, but I'm on a time schedule. This can't take all day.
Okay.
On my allergic light, it's on.
Yes, ma'am. You got your registration card on you?
No,
You don't have one?
it's everything legit.
Okay, give me just a second. Hey, this information go right here. You got to come out here with me real quick. You got a warrant.
No, I don't have no warrant. I don't have no warrant. That's it. All that's handled. I don't have no warrant. No, so I don't. No, I
Come on.
don't. You better do your paperwork. I'm not lying with you. I don't have no warrant. No. No. I know I don't have no warrant. I done been to the DMV and everything else. Try another day. No. Today is not the day.
Well, I'm just telling you, ma'am, you
I
got a
don't have
warrant.
a warrant. I don't pay my ticket. I just paid $500 and I already started a payment plan. I do not have a warrant.
Come on, step out for me.
No, I'm not stepping out. No, I'm not stepping out of my car. I do not have no warrant. My license are valid, and insurance is on this car, and this car is registered. So don't bother me today.
No. All I can tell you is that when you go down to the county, and you go down there, once you get down there, they can see all that, okay? And they may release you, but for right now,
I don't have no reason to be. My license are valid, or I wouldn't
ma'am,
be
listen, I
driving.
ain't gonna keep arguing with you, okay?
My license are valid, or I wouldn't be driving.
Well, I didn't say your license wasn't
I'm
valid.
not going to no county. No, I'm not doing that. Call somebody up here.
No, I'm not calling nobody. You gonna come out, okay?
Can you stop
Hey,
reaching in my car?
ma'am.
Don't reach in my car.
Step out. Step out. I'm gonna break your window, okay?
Yeah, come out here with us.
Why would I have a warrant?
Look, just cooperate with us. We're gonna treat you right, okay?
I have my emergency lights on because I have an emergency.
Okay, just calm down. Just come on back. Hey, we're gonna treat you right, okay?
Well, he didn't treat me right the first time. He's the reason I'm in all this mess now. As it is, and they're reaching in my car, that's illegal. And when I go to court, I'm going to handle that. Because he cannot reach in my car. The last time me and my twin sister were stopped in Wilbur, he asked us, "What the fuck are y'all from?" I don't trust him, and I don't want him reaching in my car.
Listen, I'm here now.
I'm not going to allow. I know the law.
Come down.
You gonna treat me with some
Let me
respect.
see your stuff. We're gonna treat you right. I
And where's
guarantee.
my license? He had on. He kept.
So her license is valid. You have an FTA warrant.
I think that all that.
So
You did.
look, what's the warrant for?
I know I will. When you know, because you was in Wilbur. We had possession, we got a lawyer, all that's handled. We did our probation, that's handled.
Is there anything illegal in the car?
No.
Well, look, we're going to start. Listen, what is your name? What's your name?
He knows it's on the insurance, Sierra Gardner. But don't act like you don't know me.
Miss Gardner, we're going to try to get it straight, okay? We're going to treat you right.
Well, I'm already in love with y'all. I'm doing all day. And this one right here, he needs to be taken off. He needs to be taken off.
Listen, you're going to get some more charges. Don't calm down, okay?
Well, I understand that, but he needs to.
Right now,
He's very
can you turn around for me, okay?
He's very
Turn around.
very disrespectful.
We're going to
Why am I being arrested? Can you do it? I don't trust him. I don't want him touching me. He already done reached in my car.
go ahead and put your hands behind your back, okay? It's going to be fine.
He done reached in my car, and they saying I have a warrant. And don't put them tight. Yeah, exactly. I handled that. Come get my keys, Mom, and come get my phone.
Stay right there. If you take it care of, it
Yeah,
gets
you
straightened
know,
out.
but I was expecting a thing. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. All you told me to do, Mama, he's telling me here explaining. All you told me to do, Carl, was step out the car.
That's your daughter up there. She's got a warrant. We're trying to get it cleared up. But it's saying it's valid. Okay, it's saying she has a valid FTA warrant. So we have to arrest her.
The officer placed the suspect into handcuffs and transported them to jail for further questioning and processing. On June 8, 2024, while patrolling, an officer noticed a suspicious white SUV and initiated a traffic stop. The driver complied without incident.
Hey, how you doing? Hey, I'm Trooper Cheers with the Arkansas State Police. The reason why I pulled you over, clock you doing 86 in a 65 mile per hour zone. You got your license on you? All right, do me a favor, step out and come talk to me then. Watch traffic getting out on this side. All right, stand right here. I'm gonna have you write your name down. Okay? All right. Where your license out of or your ID? You got an ID or you got a driver's license? All right. Is this person in his back row? Is he of age to drive? Does he have a driving license?
That's my son.
Okay. He
I
done.
got 3 kids in there.
Okay, I seen him, but I couldn't really tell how old he was.
He's 6.
He's 6.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Excuse me. Is this your vehicle?
Yeah.
Where you going?
To Memphis.
Your license are suspended. Do you have any family member down here that can come get this vehicle? If not, I'm gonna have it towed.
Oh my God, really?
Yeah. In the state of Arkansas, you can't drive without a valid driving license. Can you call somebody to come get this vehicle? All right, I'm gonna have it towed then, unfortunately. Hey, Destiny. Come right here. I'll grab your phone. Where's your phone? Where's your phone at? Where's your phone?
Oh, she is in the car.
Did you tell her why I said that?
I just know everything you said.
But I'm saying, did you tell her why though? Why I said it?
Yeah, you said I had attitude.
Yeah.
I'm just frustrated.
Okay.
It's hot. Like, it's hot as hell. I don't have no air in my truck. So.
Okay, but you having an attitude is not gonna make anything better with me, okay? All right. But it's gonna be a citation for driving on a suspended license and speed. You call this number that I got circled for you, but you're gonna have a mandatory court date on July the 12th, 9:30 in West Memphis.
What day?
July the 12th. I put the payment out and the court date out as far as I can. Kids, they more than welcome to come sit in my car, but with that attitude, like I said, I don't have to do anything for you.
The officer decided to let the woman go without making an arrest. Do you think this was the right decision on the officer's part?